Have you ever thought that your hands hold a secret power, a power that can calm your mind, boost your energy, and bring balance to your life? This isn't science fiction. It's the ancient wisdom of Mudras. So, what are Mudras? They're symbolic hand gestures used in practices like yoga and meditation for thousands of years. The idea is that each finger is connected to a natural element. Thumb for fire, index for air, middle for space, ring for earth, and pinky for water. By forming different gestures, you can influence the flow of energy, or prana, in your body to achieve specific results. It's like a remote control for your inner well-being. Let's try one together right now. This is the Gyan Mudra, or the Mudra of knowledge. Simply touch the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb, keeping the other 3 fingers straight. Rest your hands on your knees, palms up. This simple gesture is known to enhance concentration, reduce stress, and improve memory. Take a few deep breaths while holding it. Feel that sense of calm and focus starting to settle in. It's that simple to begin. Next, let's explore the Prana Mudra, the Mudra of life. Touch the tip of your thumb to the tips of your ring finger and little finger. This one is like an energy drink for your soul. It's believed to improve vitality, boost your immune system, and reduce fatigue. If you're feeling a little drained or sluggish, holding this mudra for a few minutes can work wonders. And for those days when you feel scattered and anxious, there's the Vayu Mudra. Fold your index finger and press the back of its second knuckle with your thumb. This gesture is all about balancing the air element in your body, which helps to calm a restless mind, ease anxiety, and even relieve joint discomfort. It's a natural way to find your center when things feel chaotic. Incorporating mudras into your daily routine is incredibly easy. You can do them while meditating, watching TV, sitting at your desk, or even while commuting. Just a few minutes a day can make a noticeable difference in your physical and mental state. It's a beautiful, accessible tool for self-healing and finding balance in our busy world. So, why not give it a try? Unlock the power at your fingertips and start your journey towards a more balanced, energized, and peaceful you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on wellness and self-discovery. See you in the next video.